Have you ever woken up and felt something's missing? Not the stiffness in your back, but that quiet morning power you used to have? That natural readiness that reminded you, I'm still a man. If that's been fading, stay with me. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and tonight, I'll show you a simple bedtime drink that can help bring that feeling back. Naturally, safely, and backed by real science. It's not a pill, not a gimmick, just a ritual that works with your body, not against it. The real reason energy fades after 50. As we age, changes happen quietly. Blood vessels lose flexibility, testosterone declines, and sleep becomes lighter. The result? Slower recovery and weaker blood flow. The foundation of male energy and sexual health. This isn't about willpower or desire. It's biology. But the good news is, by supporting your circulation before bed, you can restore what time has slowed. Why blood flow is everything. Your body's power and performance depend on one thing: circulation. When blood doesn't flow freely, you lose vitality, drive, and confidence. It's not about muscle or hormones alone. It's about oxygen and nutrients reaching where they're needed most. The bedtime drink I'm about to share helps reopen those pathways naturally. The bedtime drink that restores power. This drink isn't magic. It's a smart blend of warm water, pomegranate juice, and fresh ginger. 3 simple ingredients that activate your body's recovery system while you sleep. No pills, no caffeine. Just nature doing what it does best. Repair, relax, and restore. The science of pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenol, powerful antioxidants that relax your blood vessels and improve oxygen flow. Think of it as lubrication for your circulation. When the lining of your vessels is healthy, pressure drops, nutrients move freely, and blood flow, especially below the waist, improves naturally. The power of ginger. Ginger does more than spice up your meal. It stimulates nitric oxide, the chemical signal that tells your blood vessels to open up. That's the same pathway many ED medications target. But here's the difference. Ginger supports your body's natural rhythm, gently and safely. Why warm water matters. Most people overlook the warm water. But warmth soothes your nervous system, boosts digestion, and gently expands vessels. It's like preheating the engine before driving. Warm water helps ginger and pomegranate compounds travel faster and deeper into your bloodstream, amplifying the effect. Real results and patient stories. I've seen this work for countless men. Not overnight miracles, but steady progress. Better sleep, calmer nerves, and yes, that quiet morning signal returning. It's about reminding your body it's still capable, and giving it the tools to prove it. The deeper reason it works. This bedtime ritual isn't just physical. It's emotional. It tells your body, I care. I'm listening. I'm giving you space to heal. That mindset alone lowers stress hormones and supports natural testosterone balance. It's not a trick. It's respect for your biology. Why nighttime is sacred. Night is when your body repairs. Testosterone pulses, blood vessels relax, tissues rebuild. But only if you create the right conditions: calm, hydration, and nutrition. This drink gives your body permission to recover deeply. You don't need more effort, just more awareness. The evening ritual. So tonight, make it a ritual: gentle stretch, slow breathing, warm drink. Sip with intention. Feel your body unwind. This is not about chasing youth. It's about honoring your strength today. Over time, this simple act becomes your nightly promise to your body. I still care. If this message spoke to you, take that first step tonight. Try the drink. Feel the difference. And if you want more simple, science-backed ways to stay strong, confident, and connected to your body, subscribe to Dr. Zoe Hartley. Because your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for the moment you decide to nourish them.